Hey everybody, this is Carl Elwine Engines. Just an update. I've been working on the new rotating assembly for this special turbo engine. It was a 399 cubic inch rotating assembly. Well, I put that crankshaft back on the shelf because it doesn't fit it's cammed for a 6-inch stroke. So the pistons, the 5.85 rod, let me rephrase that. The crankshaft counterweights are cammed for a 6-inch rod. It did not fit 5.85 rod combo. Anyway. So new rods, new crankshaft. It's going to be an Eagle crankshaft, a 383. These are 2.1 inch rod journals. The other connecting rods were 2.0. So new piston. It's a 383 piston. So it's a bit beefier because the rings are down a little further, and there's no oil support rail. I'm using the same pins that came with the other set of pistons. So these ultra rods are nice. They're pricey, but if you're having fun, they're worth it. Fun as in high power. So I have the Eagle crankshaft. It's a 383, forged Eagle crankshaft. It's at Todd Connick's getting a balance. I put a rush on getting these diamond pistons, and they came about 4 days ago. I had to wait for a 2-inch rod journal, a new set of rods, new rotating assembly, so the Eagle's getting balanced. Today I file fitted the rings. Real nice set of total seal rings here. And what I did was just directly from what they suggest. Boost, 15 to 30 pounds. Gasoline or E85. 4.035 bore times 0.007 gives me 28 thou. Both rings filed to 28 thou. This is a good set of rings from Total Seal. 1.2 millimeter first and second ring, and 3 millimeters wide for the oil. It's medium tension. And let me see. What can I'll just show you the rings in here. That's the top ring, steel. Second ring, Napier. I save them in there. I file, fit, check the gap, leave the ring in there, and then when I'm done with all the rings, I'll take them from each bore and put them on the proper piston. This engine will be fully assembled within a week. When the crankshaft balance is finished, just remeasure for bearing clearance. I might have to do a mix and match of, I might have to get a little more clearance, I might put a 1/2 shell would be an X or a 0.001 bigger. And because these are standard. And once that is done and it's assembled and the AFR heads are on, this thing is going to be finished and it's going to go to the dyno. Carl Elwine Engines. Take care.